Good morning, students. So till now we have already covered so many things in the BBA third year marketing specialization sales and distribution management. Today it is a very important topic and a very interesting topic that is we have to discuss about, that is the relationship of the buyer and the seller. What? That is the buyer and seller relationship, or that is, see, it is a very important topic. Two persons are there. If one is willing to give and another is willing to take, then it is a, we can say there is a positive signs or the positive things which we are getting from the two persons. See, already from the last, there is we know that when we are going about the past, so we know that at that time there is also some barter system that we know very well. At that time also the goods are exchanged when they are needed. One has to depend upon the another. The two things is coming in that way. मुझे अगर कुछ चाहिए, अगर सपोज फॉर लेट एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे चाहिए शुगर, जो शुगर प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, और मेरे पास ऐसे भी कुछ, मेरे पास वीट है, वीट में देना चाहता हूं दूसरे पर्सन को, और दैट इज व्हाट हैपन, मुझे शुगर चाहिए, मैं भी उसे वैसे पर्सन को ढूंढूंगा, दैट इज व्हाट हैपन, दैट इज द पर्सन हु इज विलिंग टू गिव मी द शुगर एंड विल टेक द वीट फ्रॉम मी. ओके, that is, at that time we are discussing about the what, the goods are exchanged. But in the case of the buying and selling activities, the same thing is there, but in term of money. That we know very well. When beginning of the sales and distribution we have, that is what happened, started, that we know these things is very highly essential. So my dear students, so now who is the seller and who is the buyer? Who is willing to pay or to receive the goods in terms of money? Seller, who is willing to receive money in terms of providing goods and services. See, the buyer, the seller, here, seller gives the goods or provides the goods and services to whom? To that is the buyer. Means here it is the, mostly you can say the consumer. In maintaining these activities or in maintaining the relationship between the seller and the buyer, one has to understand to each other. दूसरे को समझना चाहिए, एक दूसरे के ऊपर फेथ होना चाहिए, एक दूसरे का लैंग्वेज भी समझना आना चाहिए. What I will say about the so many things about regarding these topics, that is when we will proceed the topic. So it means that is what happened, a buyer who is willing to pay. Pay means what? You will take the services, the goods and services in terms of money. Whereas the seller is willing to receive or will to provide the services, goods and services in terms of the money. Here we can say that is the both are what? Wishing to pay these two things. That is the what is very, very essential for two things. That is which is very, very, that is the activities are the same. One to provide and another to receive. Okay? But they have to maintain some what? Characteristics. See, that is both should have positive thinking, both should have good character, both should have willing to provide and willing to, that is accept. Both have the audible and understandable language. दोनों के बीच में जो कम्युनिकेशन है वो दैट इज समझना आना चाहिए. अगर इनमें से नहीं है तो वी कैन नॉट दैट इज मेंटेन द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द व्हाट हैपेंड दैट इज द buyer and the seller. So my dear students, what we have to say is see here the one the best character did, that is suppose the buyer and the seller dyad. What is the dyad? Dyad means in the situation where two people interact. It is the place, it is the situation, what if maybe we can say it is arised in order to what happened? Both the seller and the person, these are the two persons, they have to interact with each other. From this thing only we can say that is how they have the maintaining the relationship. So listen here, when you are doing these things, you have to go for it. What happened? That is, suppose one see, it means there is a what happened? Suppose here salesperson, okay, another it is the consumer. In first category, how they have the interrelated to each other? See, okay, here salesperson determines the consumer need. Okay, here salesperson present information and answer to consumer's question. Another salesperson and consumer conclude transactions. My dear students, listen here. That is how the relationship between the seller and the buyer maintain their relationship in the following ways. How we can say see, in one head I have written that is the what I mean salesperson is there, and in the other head that is the consumer is there. First of all, you will see that is consumer will determine the salesperson will determine the consumer need. Salesperson will determine the consumer needs. We have to pakka, that is we have to make that is consumer need the things, and we have to that is considerate, and we have to appreciate that is what we can say make influence to that consumer, that is I will provide that goods and you will require that goods, or what needs, what you want or what you are required, that is I will supply you, and that should be the genuine and the free. Because पहले से हमें बच्चों को that is सिखाते हैं कि that is the you should away from the tricky and that is the faulty salesmen, or those who are that is it should not be stereotyped. जो भी बोलना है सही बोलना है, जो भी बोलना है that is we have to give a clear picturized, clear characteristic of the goods to of the consumer, so that consumer will have faith on us. Definitely, if the consumer once have the faith, and if we provide the that is and fulfill the satisfaction, fulfill the needs of the consumer, and we have made satisfied to the consumer, and definitely another time the consumer will make call to us, and our marketing and our area should be developed. If we do the fair and the genuine type of the services, or that is the business or the sales activities or whatever may be. So means what I will to say, that is the salesperson must determine that is the need of the consumer, the importance of the consumer, because we know that both have importance to each other. Consumer requires goods and the salesperson requires monetary value. So unless if we do not that is make a that is importance to each other, we should not that is maintain a strong relationship. So it is a very very important concept. That is another second portion that we can say sales person present information and answer to the consumer question. Yes, पहले देखा हमें पहले बिजनेस में हमें कभी भी कंज्यूमर को इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कर पाएंगे. कंज्यूमर का माइंड को पूरे टोटली वॉश करना है. टोटली उसके मन में जो भी गुंजाइश आता है, जो भी डाउट और एज होता है, वी हैव टू सॉल्व देम. वी हैव टू आंसर टू द कंज्यूमर्स क्वेश्चन, and we have to provide the information regarding the use of the commodities or the whatever the characteristic and the features of the commodities are there. We have to clearly present there or in front of the consumer, so that whatever the questions, whatever the things arises in the mind, after clarifying only, that is consumer will, that is what happened, will respond you or will respond the what, that is the salesperson. अगर मन में कुछ रखकर अगर उल्टे सीधा बोलेंगे या प्रोडक्ट का सही कैसे यूज करना या गलत फीचर्स बताएंगे, तो वंस अगर कंज्यूमर अगर ले लिया और दूसरे बार वो अगर दैट इज इफ he is not satisfied with that of the product, or if he is not satisfied with our behavior, then definitely that is second time when you will go, you will not that is entertain us, or you will not that is what happen, will accept our goods, will not give any importance to us. हमें as a salesmanship, as a salesman, we have to know that what the consumer in that is the thinking in their mind, that we have to, by interrogating or by conversation, we have to get it, and on that behavior only we have to decide what to do and what not to do. In this way, that is what happened, we can build that is a relationship, strong relationship. और मार्केटिंग का बहुत सारा टूल्स, बहुत स्ट्रेटेजी है. हमें जो भी हमें दैट इज पढ़ चुके हैं और दैट इज वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट, जैसे फॉलो आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज, ऑल द थिंग्स एटलीस्ट दैट इज, जब कस्टमर को देखेंगे, कंज्यूमर के देखेंगे, पूछ सकते तो भाई अब अच्छे है ना, नहीं अब फाइन है, ऐसे अगर पूछ सकते हैं तो वो भी डायरेक्टली दैट इज इन्फ्लुएंस बाय आवर टॉक. Good personality, good communications, all the thing is very, very personal character. What we have, that is very, very essential in the case of the maintaining the relationship of the what? The seller and the buyer. Third, that is after fulfilling these two, that is the salesperson and the consumer, they will conclude the transactions. The final up, the stop, after exchanging the monetary value or after exchanging the goods and services, what? It is come to the conclusion that is both the person are satisfied. Both the persons have influence to each other. Both the persons have important to each other. Unless we will not think of the others, they will not think of us. That we know very well. भाई ये बिजनेस करना है, पूरा कंटिन्यूटी करना है. बिजनेस कंटिन्यूटी करने के लिए हमें दैट इज कंज्यूमर को परखना है, कंज्यूमर को हाथ में रखना है. अगर एक बिजनेस में सफल हो गया, एक कंज्यूमर आ गया, तो साइड बाय साइड 10 कंज्यूमर भी आ सकते हैं उसके जरिए से. हमें ये भूलना नहीं चाहिए. दैट यू प्रोसीड. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, so after this I am going to one of the best, that is the conceptual model, that is regarding that of the what, that is maintaining the buyer and the seller relationship. See, this is a conceptual model. Seller and buyer relationship. So, my dear students, listen here when you are going to these things. So, this is the conceptual model of buyer and the seller relationship. See, here salesperson is there, consumer is there, role and requirement is also there. They require also role and the importance, what they have think. And when they are maintaining the relationship, they depend upon the what? That is the personal character. पर्सनल कैरेक्टर भी दोनों को एक होना चाहिए. अगर पर्सनल कैरेक्टर हुआ तो इनमें से दैट इज पर्सनल एफिलिएशन विल गेट इट. रजामंदी जो बोलते हो क्या, दैट इज वी हैव फुल, दैट इज आगे बढ़ सकता है, ठीक है. वी हैव that is appreciated to one another and we have influence to another and we have faith on another. Then after that personal affiliation. See, role and job requirement ये हो गया तो इसके बाद दोनों का नीड एंड व्हाट दैट इज एक्सपेक्टेशन आ गया. एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी बहुत है, दोनों का भी एक्सपेक्टेशन होता है, इसीलिए मूलचाल भी होता है बिजनेस में, हमें कैसे करना है. रिक्वायरमेंट भी होता है, कौन सा रिक्वायर चाहिए, चाहे वो सेल्समैन दे सकता है ना नहीं, बायर जो चाहता है, बायर भी उसका भी क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स, क्वांटिटी ऑफ द गुड्स भी मेंशन करेंगे. दैट शुड बी आल्सो वेरी वेरी हाईली एसेंशियल. एंड व्हेन दे विल बोथ द नीड एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस व्हेन दे कम, there is some adjustment. Adjustment is what? Compromise. They help men to, in order to maintain the relationship, we have to make a compromise. इतना compromise करना जरूरत नहीं है, but limited compromise करना है, जो कि दोनों को benefit हो सकता है, वो देखना चाहिए. 19-20 फर्क रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो that is what 18 that is we should not come, that is 10-20. Okay, 19-20 अगर that is adjustment रहा, that it can be acceptable. And after that is what happen, needs and the expectation जब हो जाता है, then इसके बाद क्या होता है, that is strategy, choice. Final choice आता है, जो स्ट्रैटेजी को कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, किस मोड पे देना है, ये सब हमें डिफेंड करना पड़ता है. दोनों को भी चॉइस करना है, दोनों को भी स्ट्रैटेजी को देखना है, मालूम करवाना है कि ये सही है ना नहीं. आफ्टर ब्रिंगिंग दैट इज द चॉइस एंड स्ट्रैटेजी होने के बाद दैट इज फाइनल नेगोशिएट. एडजस्टमेंट, देन इट इज व्हाट द फाइनल नेगोशिएट. नेगोशिएशन हो गया, मतलब we say that is a 90% is selling activity is done. Okay, 90% we have already fulfilled, that is we have maintained the relationship. बाकी जो 10% हमारा क्या करता है, that is दोनों को अडॉप्ट करने के बाद that is what happen, both are the same thing, whatever we have here, that's the same thing, that is then we are exchanging the things. One is getting the goods and another is taking the money. Then when we are that is exchanging, then that is our what they have come to the conclude transaction, the stop, the activities of two persons already, now it is closed, it is stopped. We will say that is when starting from this to this, we are saying or have this is the consensual model. We should not ignore any one of these things. If we ignore one of the things, then we will not find a good solution and we will not, that is what happened, maintaining a better relationship. हमें एक को starting from needs to times factor से लेकर पैसे तक हमें सब कुछ देखना पड़ेगा. So this, it is a what happened, a conceptual, that is a model which explains that is the better relationship, the good relationship of the what happened, that is the buyer and the seller. So it is a very very important. Okay, so another, that is one thing how you to say, that is how we are maintaining the services, all the things. Now clearly understand these things. So better, that is what happened, we can say that is how they are maintaining the what, that is the relationships. Another model I would say, that is what happened. See, another model, this is CP means that is the compatible process. Then it is ICP means that is ICP means that is what you can say, it is incompatible process. Here it is also CP and another ICP. Sorry, it is the content. That is CC means that is compatible contact. And ICC it is that is a what happen, incompatible contact. Here that is ideal transaction. Here is inefficient, that is transaction. Here it is insufficient, inefficient transactions, and there is no transactions. See, one thing it is very very important, that is what happened we are seeing, that is this maintain a good relationship between the what, that is the what, the buyer and the seller, the buyer and the seller. See, okay, then after that is the final, it will come to that of the so many characteristic, that is the characteristic is there, okay, characteristic is there. Then another we can say that is utility is there, okay, and needs and expectations are there. All the things what we have, this thing it covers. Then it is what happen, that is coming to the conclusion. What is say? I will say that is what happen. So see, compatible. This is the content the plus, and this is the also plus. This is the minus. This is the minus. So in the content, whatever we have, if the process is good, then the transaction will be the ideal. Okay? And if the content is plus, if incompatible process is wrong, then inefficient transaction. If incompatible content is there, process is plus, there is also a inefficient transactions. And incompatible content and incompatible process, there is a complete no transactions. Okay, means why I am saying these things, they are very good things. You remember it. This is plus, then this plus is the plus. The positive, positive, positive. It is the positive. And it is the negative. And it is the negative. And it is zero. I mean to say that is what happened. The content and the process must be the, that is, it is to be what? Known to each other, it should be positive in both the sides, so that the ideal transaction will be happen. And if the content and another incompetent, that is incompatible process is there, there is a minus and this is the minus, and there is a no transaction if the both the minus is there. My dear students, whatever you think, this is the small things you have to bring in our mind, that you know, that is how to maintain the strong relationship of the what? Buyer and seller. So in my conclusion, I have to say that is the what happened when they are doing, they have to maintain a strong relationship by providing the services and having the faith in each other and having the what, that is the fair and just transactions, so that we can maintain the strong relationship. Okay. So thank you, students. Next we will discuss about the approaches of the many territorial things and other things. Thank you. Have a nice day.